see if I've got this straight, Mark. Samantha breaks up with your friend Brett to start with you, then she dumps you and goes back to Brett, leaving you free to date her best friend, Heather. It's quite a soap opera you got going there. Maybe you should forget about all this romance stuff and stick to the world of Ace Lightning. There's always something cool going on there.
I only wish it was that simple, Pete. Because sometimes, things aren't so cool with Ace Lightning.
This is gonna be sweet! You play Ace Lightning? Come to the fan club meeting, Conestoga Hills Middle School CAF. Ace Lightning fan club meeting, trading cards, game tips, and more. Ace Lightning fan club meeting, free orange drink.
Ace Lightning Fan Club. Something tells me Lord Fear ain't a card-carrying member.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
This happy little ditty is called Fugue of Fear.
I love it when that little bird floppers the cat.
Silence,
Hey, LF, get a load of this.
Ace Lightning? Yeah, what's the meaning of this, you moronic minion?
Look, don't blame me. It's about some kind of fan club or something. Oh.
Duff, what do these words say? And why is there a picture of Ace Lightning?
The first annual meeting of the Ace Lightning Fan Club. This Saturday at the Conestoga Hills Middle School cafeteria. Free orange drink.
I don't understand. Why does Ace Lightning get a fan club? Why not one for me?
Well, nothing personal, Evil One, but, you see, Ace Lightning is a hero. And we human mortal types, we like to root for heroes.
It's bad enough that lightning crippled me in battle, then followed us here from the 6th dimension. But to be spurned by mortals...
Perhaps Ace Lightning's sidekick has turned these mortals against us.
Yes, that's it. Duff, prepare the truck. We're going to pay that little lightning knight a house call.
Nice move, Pops. Nice move. Okay, now next time, don't hold back so much, all right?
You got it, Coach.
All right. Okay, everybody, pair up. Let's move it.
Sorry about that, Mark. Sometimes I don't know my own strength.
It's all right. I didn't really need my spleen.
Seriously. It was nice of you to sub for my usual karate partner. Doctor says he should be out of traction in like 2 weeks.
How long have you been doing karate?
Just a few months. Here, I'll show you this awesome move. Ha! Ha! Ha!
I still don't get what Mark sees in her.
What do you mean? I thought Heather's your best friend.
She is, but that doesn't mean I have to like her.
Ha!
You're a guy, you wouldn't understand.
Ha!
I think she's just gonna end up hurting him.
Ha! Oh!
See what I mean?
We would have called first, but we wanted it to be a surprise.
I can't believe I sprained your arm. I feel awful.
Yeah, me too.
Well, I'm gonna make it up to you by letting you take me to the new Jackie Chan movie. Let me see. Friday I've got swimming lessons. Sunday's type O. I can definitely do a Saturday matinee. Say 1 o'clock?
Saturday. I can't. That's the day of the Ace Lightning Fan Club meeting. I'm supposed to be there for Chuck.
Fan club meeting?
You don't understand.
Oh, I totally understand. Some of us like real action, and some people just want to go to fan club meetings. Okay, Mark. Saturday, I'm going to the movies with or without you. It's your call.
What is this device?
Perhaps he uses it to recharge himself, your lordship.
Yes. We'll see how it works. Then we shall destroy it.
I would have knocked, but I saw the door was open.
I know all about you and your sidekick. How you're plotting to turn the mortals against me with your pathetic fan club.
What fan club? I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't insult me with your lies, you simpering superhero!
Follow the bouncing ball! Over here, Ace!
You should never keep company waiting.
Over here, Ace! Ace, what are they doing here?
You got me, kid. Something about a fan club. Gotcha! Party's over, Fear.
You haven't heard the last of this lightning. We'll be back.
Stay here, kid. I'll make sure our guests are headed home.
Ace, what do they say about the fan club?
Dude, what happened to your door?
Oh, hey, Chuck.
Man, you used way too much soap. Dude, I'm so psyched for Saturday. There's gonna be tons of elves there.
Elves?
ALFs. Stands for Ace Lightning Fans. That's what we call each other online. There's this one guy I can't wait to meet Saturday. He's emailing me stuff about the game I didn't even know. Can you believe that?
Listen, Chuck. About Saturday, I've decided to go to the movies with Heather.
Right. Seriously. I'll meet you at school around noon.
I am serious, Chuck. I've already ruined one relationship for this game. I don't want to ruin another one. I hope you understand.
Sure. I understand. Have fun at the movies.
Listen, Chuck. Maybe this Ace Lightning fan club meeting isn't such a good idea. I mean, you might be attracting the wrong kind of attention.
First you tell me you're not coming. And now you try to wreck the whole thing?
No, that's not it.
I really thought you were a true elf. Guess I was wrong.
Boss, I got the stuff you wanted. Check it out. Posters, some games, magazines, Ace Lightning magazines. Nice. Trading cards. They were sold out of the Ace Lightning nightlights.
All of this for Ace Lightning? Wasn't there anything for me?
Nope. Oh, but I did find this.
What is that?
Fear's a fool. The rat rules. Fear's a fool. The rat rules. Hey, what do you know? I rule.
Shut up! This is an outrage. I will prove to the mortals that I am the one worthy of their adoration.
Ooh, a calendar, too.
If they don't adore me, they will learn to fear me.
Awake! Now I'm really awake. Whew. This is it, Mr. President. Your moment has arrived. As president of the Ace Lightning Fan Club, I'm gonna get some RESPECT.
Move it, Mr. President. Your oatmeal's getting cold.
Why don't you sit this one out?
What, you think I'm afraid of Googler? Just because he beat me last time? You don't get it, do you? I can't hide. I've gotta face him. It's payback time.
I never could tell you what to do, Sparks, but promise me you'll be careful. That school is full of dangerous surprises.
No!
Need some help there, Mughal?
Coach, you're in.
That's right. I'm an elf. But keep it on the QT, will you, Mughal? No need for my colleagues to hear about this.
Jackie! I've got a surprise for you. Cookies. Oh! Wait till the lunch ladies hear about this.
So, you here all alone, Mughal? Where's your wingman, Hollander?
He's on a date.
A date? And he calls himself an elf. Well, don't worry, Mughal. Coach is here to help the team.
Thanks, Coach.
Oh, don't thank me. We elves have to stick together.
Do right, fear not.
Googler, good to go!
Excellent. Nothing must disrupt this fan club meeting. Except, of course, me.
Every fan gets a bite.
I don't want any.
Tip. What's happening? There you go. Rupert, hey.
Chucky the Chucker plays Ace Lightning, huh? How could a loser like you be into such a cool game?
Well, I guess I started playing about him to...
Did I ask for your life story? Where's the free orange drink?
Can I help you?
See Mughal, as in chmug3@acefanclub.com?
Yeah. How did you know?
We've been in the same Ace Lightning chat room a bunch of times. I'm Jessica, aka Jessie at acefanclub.com.
You're Jessie? But you're a girl.
Yeah.
I didn't know you lived in Conestoga Hills.
I don't. I'm just here visiting my cousin. And to meet chmug3@acefanclub.com in person.
Sweet. I'll give you the tour.
Well, don't you have to stay here and greet people? I mean, you are the president.
Here. I resign.
Hey, you ready for some off-court action?
Catch. If by action you mean a movie with Heather, then yeah.
Movie? Get real, kid. Lord Fear is bound to show up at your school. There's people in there who need us.
Forget it. You wouldn't understand.
There's one thing I do understand. The code of the Lightning Knight.
Yeah, I know. Do right and fear not. Sometimes it's easier said than done.
Well, if you want to be a part of this, I'll be waiting behind the school.
Wayne. Do you know him? His name's Wayne.
I knew you'd come around. And trust me, you won't be sorry. This Jackie Chan thing is gonna be awesome. I've seen like 20 of his movies. You know, he does all his own stunts. He's broken like every bone in his body twice.
Really? That's nice.
Yeah, and he's been in more than 100 movies. I read somewhere that he went to school to be an opera singer. Can you believe that? I mean, he's way more than just an action hero. He's totally talented.
Yeah, totally.
You know, I've thought about becoming a martial arts actress. I mean, let's face it, I've got the moves. Hi-ya! I just need to learn how to act. How hard could that be?
Yeah, that's, great. Listen, Heather. I changed my mind. I gotta go to the fan club meeting. Sorry.
I don't believe it. You're wimping out at me for some fan club meeting? Don't you want to see some action?
Googly gracious me! Another Googler! Yes, sirree!
Surprise! Bring it on, you giggling goon.
Sparks is back, but Googler made you a goner!
Time for me to return the favor!
Follow the bouncing ball!
Lost him. Where'd he go?
Googler's gonna Googlerize you, girlie! You'll be good and gone!
Jessica, what are you doing hanging out with Upchuck?
Oh, Wayne, how you doing?
We're having fun. Not that it's any of your business.
Fun? With President Puke?
President Puke, that's funny. Almost as funny as when your mom called you Booger Box.
Booger Box?
Yeah, when Wayne was little, he used to, how can I say this politely, pick his nose and eat it.
Oh, dude, that's sick.
Jessica.
Whoops. Is that a secret?
Booger Box.
Would you please shut up? Do you want everyone to hear about this? Look, I'll make you a deal. If you promise never to mention this to anyone, I won't pound you for hitting on my cousin.
Wayne!
Deal. Oh, too bad Mark's not here. He would never believe.
Are you sure about this?
Trust me, Ace. No one will know you're here.
Mark, my man! Thanks for showing, dude. Knew you wouldn't let me down. Cool action figure. It's totally lifelike.
Thanks.
Oh, I want you to meet someone. This is Jessica. Not only a major elf, but check it out, dude. She's a girl.
Yeah, I can see that. Nice to meet you.
You too.
And here's the kicker. Jessica's Wayne's cousin.
Wayne's cousin? Chuck, are you crazy? He'll freak if he sees you.
No sweat, bro. Wayne and I have an arrangement. Booger Box! Booger Box. It's a pretty name. Oh, it's appropriate.
Rubbish. I'll show them.
As president of the Ace Lightning Fan Club, I thought that I would share with my fellow elves everything I've learned about the game over the last year. Oops! Wrong slide. As if you couldn't tell, this is Pigface. Lucky for us, he only exists in a video game. Wouldn't want to meet him at a buffet table, if you know what I mean. Oink, oink. Whew. Here's a villain y'all love to hate. The evil one himself, Lord Fear. You'll notice that Lord Fear always carries his staff in the same hand.
Boring. Game over.
Huh?
Be afraid. Be very afraid.
Now that's cool.
Sweet effects. You must have hoarded your allowance for years to set this up.
That's one for me. Now we're tied.
Go, Ace, go! 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 Go, Ace, go!
Tough crowd, your lordship. I'd say we bomb. These worthless mortals. They'll pay dearly for this humiliation.
Now that's a hero.
That concludes our slideshow, ladies and gentlemen. Orange drink on the house. Woohoo!
That was pretty amazing.
Samantha, what are you doing here?
Chuck invited me. So, where's Heather?
At the movies.
Then I guess you wouldn't mind showing me around.
Sure. I didn't know you were interested in Ace Lightning.
Can a girl change her mind?
We kicked their butts big time, Ace.
We did today. But they'll just keep coming back. And each time they're stronger than they were before. Until one of these days, we'll have the final showdown. And then we'll know which of us will win this battle. Once and for all.